welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious white chicken pozole that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing and delicious pozole blanco de pollo, these are the ingredients. I have hominy, oregano, chicken bouillon, cumin, marjoram, half an onion, bay leaves, garlic cloves, and of course the star. I have chicken drumsticks, and chicken breast. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and delicious pozole blanco de pollo. So let's get started. Well, here I want to prepare first our chicken, and I have half an onion which I'm going to just slice through the center. These ingredients are really going to give the chicken and the broth an amazing flavor. I have drumsticks, I have chicken breast, I have a big pan with boiling water on the stove, and now I am ready to just incorporate everything in here. Look at this. This pozole blanco de pollo comes out amazing. I'm adding my bay leaves, adding my garlic clove. I'm not going to add any salt or any chicken bouillon at this moment. I'm just going to let it cook, start boiling, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to leave it here, and I'm going to continue showing you the hominy. The hominy comes in this big can, and of course in this liquid with the preservatives. Let me show you. But we are going to rinse it really good. We want to make sure that we take all the preservatives completely off. So I'm going to rinse for a couple minutes until the water runs clear. And this could take about 2 to 3 minutes. Just make sure that you really mix it around. You shake it a little bit to get the excessive water out. And here on the chicken, I am going to start removing the foam that it creates right on the top. Right after removing the foam, just like that, I am going to continue and showing you that this white pozole really comes out delicious. I am going to thicken it a little bit with 1 cup of hominy. I'm going to add the cumin, Mexican oregano, the marjoram, garlic cloves, and I'm going to add some hot water, just 1 cup, and we are going to blend it completely. These flavors are really going to give an amazing taste. Now I am about to add the chicken bouillon. I'm just going to mix it around. Look at this. And now this is what I'm going to use to garnish my pozole blanco. Look at this. The radish needs to be nice and sliced very thinly. I'm going to put it in this plate. I have my cabbage that I'm going to slice, and I'm going to try and slice it nice and thin so that it really incorporates into my pozole blanco. Of course, that I'm going to add some chili Serrano, and I'm going to slice some limes from my garden. They are small, but they have a lot of juice. Look at them. This is what I'm going to garnish my pozole blanco with. Make this pozole blanco. It's getting nice and cold here in California, and this recipe really comes out delicious and amazing. Okay, I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to leave it here and let's go see how the pozole is doing. Now, I am ready to remove just the chicken breast. The drumsticks I'm going to leave behind. I am going to add the hominy. Look at this. I am going to go ahead and add the spices and the hominy that we blended. And here I'm just going to pull apart the chicken breast. You want to make sure that you pull it apart. You shred it in bite pieces so that it's not too, the pieces of the chicken breast not too small. You could really want to see it in your white pozole. Well, I'm going to stay and just shredding the chicken in bite pieces. Don't shred it too small, because when you add it back to your pozole and you start scooping out the amazing white pozole, you really want to see those chunks of the chicken breast. Look at this. This pozole blanco comes out amazing. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you enjoy it with your beautiful family for the holidays. The holidays are already here. And why not enjoy in a rainy day this amazing pozole blanco? And now I'm adding all the chicken in here. We're just gonna let it cook just one more time. And when it's done, I am ready to prepare my plate and garnish it with all these amazing flavors. I'm adding the cabbage. I'm adding the relish. And of course, you know I love spicy food, so I'm adding some of the Serrano slices in there. Look at this. I can't wait to enjoy. It's nice and cold outside, and I am really going to enjoy this pozole blanco. And of course, the lime right on the top really makes a difference. I'll see you in just a little bit. I can't wait to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious pozole blanco de pollo. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. I have a tortilla chip and excuse me. Perfection made at home. You need to make this amazing white pozole. It comes out delicious. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you make this amazing white pozole. Chicken white pozole. It comes out amazing every time. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing.
Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you didn't, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Pozole blanco de pollo at home, and enjoy it with your beautiful family. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you next time. Bye-bye.